Welcome. In this short lesson, we'll write a small, robust C# program that counts how many positive and negative integers appear in an array. We'll show results for typical arrays, an empty array, and we'll keep the counting function pure, so it's easy to unit test or reuse in other code. I'll walk through the input-output, the counting logic using LINQ for clarity, and why returning a structured result is often more useful than printing raw text. Let's jump in. The task is common in data validation and quick statistics. We'll treat 0 explicitly, so as not positive and not negative. So the function is predictable. We'll implement a small helper that returns structured counts and a console wrapper that prints nicely for the viewer. I've kept the main logic in count pos neg 0, which returns a tuple, positive and negatives and zeros. That makes it easy to assert values in tests or reuse in other modules. The function handles null or empty arrays by returning zeros. In main, we present three examples: a mixed array, another with a zero, and an empty array to demonstrate graceful behavior. Using LINQ keeps the code concise and readable. Flow is straightforward. Separating counting into small LINQ queries is both expressive and fast enough for typical arrays. Returning a tuple keeps data structured. You can easily swap to a small struct or class later on if you prefer name types or serialization. Here are the concrete examples and their counts. You can see the function behaves predictably for the empty array and for the arrays containing zeros. Because the counting is deterministic, it is easy to add unit tests that assert these exact tuples. The standard utility is useful across data engineering and monitoring contexts. For example, before aggregating values, you might want to know sign distribution to decide downstream handling. The tuple return also makes it easy to plug into metrics, collectors, or logs. To recap, we wrote a small testable function that counts positives, negatives, and zeros. It is easy to adapt. Switch tuple to a struct if you prefer stronger typing, or accept I enumerable to handle other inputs. This pattern, pure function plus small IO wrapper, keeps code maintainable and unit test friendly. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.